Well, unfortunately, our little baby birdie didn't make it, did he? Or she? We weren't sure if it was a boy or a girl, were we?
Charlotte and Harry. We say that just for names.
What
Boy
were their
or
names?
girl.
Charlotte and Harry.
Okay.
Just because we don't know if it's a boy or girl.
Boy or girl. And do you want to say anything about Charlotte or Harry before we have our ceremony?
Well, I'm really sad that Charlotte or Harry died, whichever one it is.
Yeah.
And I wish it stayed alive and built its health and its parents came and it grew up nicely and it didn't die.
It would have been lovely, wouldn't it, to have seen it grow up to be a big bird?
Yes.
But unfortunately, that didn't happen. So we are going to give it a proper burial. Right here we have a little site for it, and we're going to place some daffodil bulbs on top of Harry or Charlotte, aren't we? So that every year in the springtime the little daffodils will come up
Or
and
summer.
they'll remind, normally before, in the very early springtime, they'll come up and they'll remind us.
And we should put the date on the cross.
We can do that too. Okay, are we
Maybe
ready?
a cross there.
Would you like to bury Charlotte or Harry?
Yes, but I think here would be a nice place to write the date.
We will. We'll do that afterwards.
And like the names.
We'll do that. We'll do that
Yeah.
afterwards.
We
Okay.
said the names at the same time.
Yep.
Yeah. Do you want to see me put the poor baby bird in there?
Yeah. Pick your poor baby bird up. You can leave
Gotta put it
her
in
or
the
him
nest.
in the tissue
Why in the
if you want. You can leave her. It doesn't matter.
Keep her in the nest if you'd like to.
I don't want to bury the nest.
Very gently. Okay.
Do I put it in the hole?
Yeah. Let's just be very gentle. Okay. Place her in there.
Do you like the
Hang on, oops.
And there she is.
We're going to put a little bit of dirt. Would you like to put the first little bit of soil on top of her?
Yeah.
Okay. Just put these bits on top of her. Just put them on gently.
Or him.
Or him. Yep. Okay. That's it. That's it. We can put a little bit more on here. Put a little bit of that on there. And now, would you like to put some bulbs in? We had some bulbs selected, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
Let's put some bulbs in. Put them, you know how to put them the right way up? Just put them up like that.
and then we just
Grab
put
a
the
couple
soil.
more. There's a couple more. Grab a few more. We can put a few more in there. Okay, one more. Yeah, we'll put 5 in total. Put 5 over there. Okay, and let's put a bit more dirt on.
Will the bulbs grow next year or this
Next year they'll grow. Next year.
I think I just saw a worm. There's another one.
Oh, there's some worms. That's good luck. Okay. We'll put a little bit of mulch on the top. And we'll say a prayer for Charlotte or Harry.
Charlotte and Harry.
Charlotte and Harry. Okay.
Do you want us both to say something?
You can say it if you like.
We'll go oldest to youngest.
Okay.
So your turn to say your prayer.
My turn
I will
first?
take a video of you singing it.
Okay. Charlotte, Harry, you're only with us for a day, but you brought us great joy. You were a fighter, and you hung in there as long as you could, and we really wish you could have become part of our family. We bid you farewell, and wish that your spirit lives on.
Poor little Charlotte, Harry. We were so sad to see you separated from your mummy and your daddy. We were sorry we couldn't keep you alive ourselves. Rest in peace.
Hi, Charlotte, Harry. I'm so sorry that you died, and I wish you had have stayed with our family and grown up to be nice and not have died and grow stronger and so that we can give you to your family. Bye.
Bye, Charlotte.
Bye.
Bye, Harry.